Hey guys, it's Vince from New Vintage USA. Today we're going to go over gauge options for your classic Ford pickup truck and Bronco. These are going to fit model years from 1973 all the way through 86. That's going to be the dent side and the bull nose for the guys out there who really follow Ford trucks. All right, so let's go over gauge options for 73 through 79. As you see here, gauges mount right behind the factory bezel. Just 3 snips. You get rid of the square look of the original dash and go for something truly custom. Shown here in our Aviator series, this is sure to wow your friends and family and get a lot of compliments at the next car show. Now let's talk about our 80 through 86 bullnose direct fit kit. Same kind of install, remove the factory gauges, bolt these in the factory position, put the bezel back over, and you're set. This one actually includes all the indicator lights that were from the factory for a full custom look, yet leaving the factory options as they were. Don't need to ruin a dash to make it custom. Kits come complete with your choice of gauge styles, mounting brackets, wiring harnesses, temp and pressure senders, bushing kits, gauge mounting clamps, and hardware. NVU gauges can operate on virtually any powertrain combination, from old school carbs to modern engines, driven by OE or factory PCMs. Choose from a wide variety of styles that fit the theme of your build. From mild to wild, there's sure to be a kit that's right for you. Bold graphics and LED backlighting make gauges look great day or night. NVU has been known for decades as the leader in gauge design, with exciting styles that make a bold statement without going over the top. Whether you're going for a retro vibe or an exciting modern look, we have something for your ride. Our gauges are more than just great looking. Modern technology based on our OE, military, and simulator lines pack features you wouldn't have expected. Auxiliary inputs, built-in indicators, settable odometer mileage, performance timers, and sequential shift alerts are just a few of the things that push performance over the top. Wiring is simplified using our exclusive Phoenix Direct Drive wiring system that cuts time by 75% and dramatically decreases installation errors. By far the cleanest wiring solution available, even a novice builder can get professional results that look just as good from the back as they do from the front. And if you want to simplify things even further, use our Snap Adapt plug and play harness for even easier install by plugging into the factory harness directly and cutting wiring time to just minutes. If you're looking to upgrade the looks and functionality of your stock cluster, look nowhere else. New Vintage USA, where style meets performance.